Hello, everyone. Let's get straight to the point. You want to learn to speak English, not just study it. You're tired of complicated rules, long vocabulary lists, and still feeling stuck, still feeling scared to open your mouth. In this video, we are not just learning, we are unlocking. We're unlocking a simple, powerful method to start speaking English, not in years, not in months, but starting today. This is not about perfection. This is about power. The power to communicate, to connect, to change your opportunities. If you are ready for that, then listen closely. The biggest mistake beginners make is treating English like a subject, like math or science, full of theories to memorize. Spoken English is a skill, like swimming or dancing. You cannot learn to swim by only reading a book. You have to get in the water. And that water, for us, is sound. Your first and most important job is not speaking, it is listening. But not passive listening. I want you to immerse yourself in the music of English. Find a short clip, maybe from a cartoon, a movie scene you like, or a simple news report. Listen to it once, twice, 10 times. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen to the rhythm, the melody, the way the voice goes up and down. Your brain is an incredible pattern recognition machine. You need to feed it the pattern of English sounds before it can produce them. So, every single day, give yourself 15 minutes of this deep, focused listening. This is non-negotiable. Now, let's talk about speaking. The fear of making mistakes is the single greatest wall between you and fluency. You must break this wall today. I give you full permission to make mistakes. In fact, I encourage it. Start by speaking to yourself. Describe what you are doing right now in simple English. I am making tea. The water is hot. I am opening the window. Talk about your plans. I will go to the market. I need bread. Do this out loud, even in a whisper. Your mouth muscles need to learn new movements. This is not about being correct. This is about forming the habit of thinking and producing English sounds. It will feel silly. Do it anyway. This simple, private practice builds a neural pathway, a direct line from your thoughts to spoken English, bypassing the fear. Next, we build your toolkit, but we keep it incredibly small. You do not need 10,000 words to start a conversation. You need 200. Focus on the glue words, the verbs like is, are, have, want, go, like, need. Learn the basic connectors, and, but, because, so. Learn a handful of nouns for things you see every day. With just this small kit, you can form countless sentences. I need water because I am thirsty. I like this movie, but it is long. This is the foundation. Do not run after advanced vocabulary. Master the basics until they fly out of your mouth without thinking. Your environment is your best teacher. Look around you right now. Every object you see is a vocabulary word waiting to be learned. Your phone, your table, your shoes, the sky, outside. Label them in your mind. Think of the actions you do. Lifting, walking, reading, watching. This is real, practical language. Take one situation, like ordering food. Write down or think of the entire conversation. Hello. Can I have a coffee, please? Thank you. How much? Have a good day. Practice that one scenario until you own it. Then move to another, like asking for directions. By mastering small, complete pieces of conversation, you build confidence you can actually use. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Studying for 5 hours one day and then nothing for a week is useless. 10 minutes every single day is powerful. Make it a daily ritual, like brushing your teeth. Your 10 minutes of listening, your 5 minutes of speaking to yourself, your 2 minutes of learning 3 new words. This daily drip of effort creates a flood of progress over time. There are no shortcuts, but there are smart paths. And this is the smartest path: small, consistent, fearless action. Finally, you must connect the language to your life, to your emotions. Watch a short video on a topic you are truly passionate about: cooking, football, music, technology. Your interest will drive you to understand. You will remember words and phrases because they matter to you, not because they are on a list. English is not the goal. English is the tool. The goal is to access the information, the people, and the opportunities you want. So, this is your starting line. Not tomorrow, not later today. Right after this video ends, you will do your first task. You will pick one object near you and say 3 simple sentences about it in English. You will find a 30-second audio clip and listen to it 3 times. You have just been given the map. The journey begins with your very next word. If this approach makes sense to you, if you are ready to finally speak and not just study, then consider subscribing to this channel. I am here to guide you with clear, practical steps every step of the way. Your journey to confidence in English starts here. And remember, I am listening too. If you have any question, any doubt, any specific situation you want to learn how to handle in English, just tell me in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Now, go speak.